So what are some of the findings you're seeing? You're seeing that people that are exposed to music throughout their lives or are formally trained in music actually have a different function when it comes to the way their brain works later on in life?
That's right. And what you generally find in those people who've chosen to take music lessons have higher cognitive abilities as they age and better hearing abilities as they age. And those better hearing abilities actually come from cognitive processing, not so much the ear itself, right? Because if we think of the ear is made up of these little hair cells, and the hair cells move to sound and they send a signal to the brain. But when you think about hearing in, let's say, a bar or a pub or a restaurant, and your brain has to figure out who's your friend's voice, who's the people at the table next to you, where's the music playing, what are those, what's that beer tap pouring and the glasses clinking and things like that. And so that's a cognitive problem, not an ear problem per se. And we find is that older musicians do better at solving that problem, and that leads to a better ability to understand speech when there's loud background noise. And if you ask most older adults who have some hearing issues, that's the biggest problem, is hearing when there's background noise. It's a lifestyle choice that we're seeing, along with exercise, that can preserve physical and mental health as we age. And the more people generally engage in challenging tasks as they age, the better preserved their cognitive function seems to be.